So these machines, would they be able to work off the same RIP as you know, say they have a large format printer and they can use the same RIP?
Yes, the same RIP within Mimaki I can speak for, or most companies have one RIP that drives all the printers. So whether it be the solvent roll-fed printers, the vinyl printers, the flatbeds or the small tabletops, or even our cutters are all usually driven by one RIP.
So this would kind of fit right into the existing workflow, really?
Absolutely. There's no learning curve. You just see the bed size is either smaller on these tabletops versus big, but it's the same workflow, it's the same RIP, it's all like Adobe platform based with files. So there's no learning curve for a sign shop, especially if they're using a RIP today, whoever it may be, and really integrate their workflow into using this little printer to make them a lot of money, to separate them differently.
Sounds like the biggest challenge would be to go after those markets.
Yes, I think in the sign and graphics market, it is a learning curve for your local sign shop to realize what this printer can do for them, how they can make money with it.